What is transposition is, I'll show you an example. If it is x plus 4 is equals to 7, suppose this is a linear equation that is given to you. Alright, always remember, whenever anything moves from the left hand side to the right hand side of the equal sign, the positive term will become negative term. Okay, so suppose I want to keep x here, I want to solve this equation. This 4, suppose I take it on the other side, so x is equals to 7, this is plus 4, this will become minus 4. This is a rule of transposition, that is, a positive term, when it goes to the other side of the equal to sign, it becomes a negative term. So x is equals to 3. Okay, what is the rule of transposition? A positive term becomes negative when it moves on the other side of the equal sign, and vice versa. Vice versa means a negative term becomes positive. I'll show you an example. Suppose, I'll show you one more example. Suppose it is 2x minus 4 is equals to 8. Suppose this is an equation that is given to you. You have to solve this. So what you'll do is, whatever is the x term, you will keep it here and the number will go on the other side. So 2x is equals to 8, which is here, and this minus 4 becomes plus 4. Why it becomes plus 4? Because the rule says 2x is here, I am taking is equals to 8, I take minus 4 will become plus 4 because it's moving on the other side of the equal to sign. Okay, so 2x is equals to 12, x is equals to 12 divided by 2, which is equals to 6. Okay, so the negative term becomes positive when it moves on the other side of equal sign. Is that clear, students? I hope you all have understood the method of transposition. I will solve some more sums. 2x plus 5 is equals to 17. This is a question that is given to us. 2x plus 5 is equals to 17. What, according to transposition, whenever a number is positive, if it goes on the other side, it becomes negative. So 2x is equals to 17 minus 5. This is plus 5, it becomes minus 5 because of applying transposition rule. So 2x is equals to 17 minus 5 is 12. X is equals to 12 divided by 2, which is equals to 6. X is equals to 6. I hope you all have understood this. I'll solve one more sum. Suppose the question is 3y minus 2 is equals to 1. Okay, so I keep y term here. I am transferring this number to the other side. It is negative, it will become positive. So 3y is equals to 1 plus 2. 3y is equals to 3. Y is equals to 3 divided by 3, which is equals to 1. So y is equals to 1. This is your answer.